Hi, this is a product review for the Russell Hobbs 16-inch, well, pedestal fan, I guess, like technically. It's one of these fans you have to put together, and it's on a stool. It's 16 inches, 16-inch blade. It's a 1.25 meter height, but to give you perspective, I'm 5'10", and it comes just to the bottom of my chest there. So just to give you an idea of the size. The cable is 1.5 meters, so you can, what I've liked about using this, so first I'll tell you how long it took to set up. I think that's the best way, and the usage I've had over the last 2 weeks, because I decided to try it out first before doing a review. God, this is embarrassing. It took me 13 minutes to put it together. I think you could do it in under 5, okay? I did the thing where you try and put the blade on, the fitting on first. I'll show you a little footage now of what it looked like when it was in pieces. This is all the pieces it comes with. You see it's got everything there. Let's see how long this takes to build. And then yeah, so I went and put it on incorrectly, let's put it. And so I had to take this part off, and then the blade back off, sorry, then the cage back on. And there is a fiddly screw at the bottom. And I was trying to figure out how do I put the other side on. I realized you don't have to put the little screw bolt thing on. Yeah, that's my technical terms there. Feet are quite easy to put on. I'll try and lift it up if I can and get it all the way. There you go. Now you've got to watch out for this bit here, just because you've got to make sure there's a screw at the back, just make sure it's screwed properly. Then it is actually quite sturdy. And what I really like about this, and I'll show you in action, is it turns really well. It actually turns nicely, it's very smooth. Setting 1, setting 2, setting 3, and then we'll do a little turn, shall we? You see what I mean by the good speed. Yeah, it turns really nicely. Yeah, I'm happy. So I had this during the sort of 30-degree heat, and it was pushing the warm air really well. I was actually surprised. So for this price point, for what I paid, considering how much airflow it was giving to me in any room I was in, anywhere I use it, because I've got my desk right here, sleep over there. So what I like about certain fans, if they're strong enough, I don't want to have to face them, because if they're a bit weaker, I have to face them. Whereas this one, I could turn away and have this just blowing cool air on my back while I sleep. So really useful. Really like the function of it moving as well. It actually moves at a nice speed. And the only downside, I'm going to say one downside, is the feet are just like all these fans. The feet are quite big, so you've got to have enough space on the floor. I live in quite a small space, and I still managed to find space for it. But it's just in case you wanted something that's a bit more, don't know. Takes up less space at the bottom. It's hard to describe. The feet's bigger than the blade itself in terms of like how they go out, but it makes it very, very, very stable. So yeah, this is the Russell Hobbs 16-inch fan, 1.25 meters, and yeah, I think in terms of value, I'd say thumbs up. I think it's actually more powerful than it looks, because it comes in that box and it's one of those. Looks like a bog standard fan, which I suppose it kind of is, you know, plasticky and stuff. But it's good enough. Just tighten it up, and yeah, it will actually do the job. So I can't really complain. Nice, fairly good piece of kit, and yeah, I think it's good for the price point, and it actually does a really good job at blowing hot air, and that's the main thing. Doesn't matter what I think about its looks or anything like that. It actually does a good job at keeping me cool.